This is the output. This is the input. This is for 300 liters.
Is that air input?
Yeah, air input. It's
Inlet.
mentioned.
Inlet.
This is
To put
high
this-
flow oxygen. First, I'll debrief this one.
Okay.
Then I will go here and I'll give the link. Then I'll switch on operation. Then we go to the lung study. Then we go what test we do. Then finally we go to answer.
And we can determine the status of this.
Yes, we can determine whether ventilator is functioning as per the settings what doctor is giving in the ventilator.
There is answer here.
There is answer here. No, sorry, answer no. VT mobile software is there. It has got software. VTHF plus software, which is directly linked to the system computer. Okay. This is the input flow. It takes the gas input and goes and analyzes, and the output comes in. That during that time there is a flow, and the pressure and the volume. These three parameters are determined by this machine, and you can get as per your requirement. You can make it as a combination. Once I switch on the machine, I will show you the combination. You can select and show. Any point of time, the screen will show 4 parameters. Okay.
Flow pressure.
Flow pressure with the flow with the gas passing to the tube. There is a tubular structure where the transducers are located, which will take a flow, and also it will calculate the volume. It will calculate the pressure. With that, it will make all kind of arrangements.
Could we just know this?
This is mainly for the cylinders, gas cylinders, not for ventilator application. It is not useful for this ventilator. We don't connect it to the ventilator. It will be, suppose external gas, for example the cylinder, manifold.
Yeah.
The cylinder is coming directly from the station.
Yeah.
Suppose somebody wants to know the pressure. Maybe the regulator output directly you can connect here, now the checking. Not for a normal function.
Okay. What on this one?
This is for the high pressure cylinder. This is something like the low pressure cylinder. In other words, I can say this cylinder could be with higher LPM, means higher flow, the bigger capacity. This could be a smaller capacity.
Okay. We have 4 like this one. 4.
There is no output here. Only the,
Input?
no, this is one is input and there is output. But we don't use this one in our normal application, in our general application for ventilator. For our lab, we do connect ventilator straight away and take the output. If it is a low pressure, we connect to here. The output.
So why they do put this flow? Why they put this?
Okay.
This is for high pressure.
In industrial.
This is for low pressure, huh?
There are something like gas analyzer. This is a gas analyzer. Gas flow analyzer.
Low flow.
Flow.
They designed an equipment for medical and partly for the research like drug analysis, study, industrial. Okay. But this is they did not mention anything. They mentioned ventilator analyzer. No. They didn't write ventilator analyzer. If they write ventilator analyzer, this only will buy only hospital. They write gas flow analyzer, everybody will buy. Okay.
This plug-in is for us or for you?
This ventilator?
No.
No, this is for the ventilator. You have the set. I show you. Mr. Anthony, that cover, no? What all the dampers came.
Yeah.
I show. This is for you. Green ones are all for you, not this one. Don't take this one. Then you will go. Okay. This is for you. This the machine. The parts came for this one. This is all like connectors.
Filter. All different.
I am telling you, not much. I will connect it, simplify the circuit. This is like, for example, you want to make it shorten. This one. It's all you can do your like a. This is inner. If you want to do inner one, if you want to do outer one, it's like that. One is like a. Suppose your circuit is connected like this. You can connect this way. You can do. No, your circuit is bigger. You can make combination. It's only trying as a combination of the connectors. These are connectors for fitting the port.
What about this one?
This is a filter. This is a tube.
Maybe from this.
The gas.
Here.
They're connecting to the gas line, no? For the cylinder gas lines. Oxygen gas line. What they mentioned, this particular access, just check it.
And this also.
This is filter. So before you can connecting,
Yeah.
this filter
Yeah.
has a special character.
Yeah.
The absorbing the liquid moisture in the air. Suppose your ventilator is connected to the gas lines, and when there is a output, the output may be having more moisture. So to avoid the
This
damage to the
yes.
system, you need to connect some.
How could we connect it? Like this one or like this one?
This has got a direction. Sometimes it is any direction. Some filters have.
No, it should be one direction.
If it is a simple membrane, it can be either direction. If
No,
it is,
this one is different from this.
I don't want to remove it because it will be. If this can be, no, that is.
You could.
Okay, if you put this one. There will be an arrow mark which shows.
Where is it?
Here it is not there. If there is no arrow mark, we can.
How could we show that?
We can put any direction. If there is no arrow mark, this does not have any significance. If it is arrow mark specifically mentioned, some filters manufacturers they will put arrow mark. Yeah, if you find arrow mark, then you have to follow the arrow. If you do not have a arrow mark, you can follow. If you remove it, it cannot be used. No, that's the reason. It will be. You can use. No, why I am not removing? No, I don't need filter here because this is giving a dry gas. I am not taking the wall hospital air. If I am taking hospital, I will open this one because
Yes.
the hospital air
لأنه تعرف
there is a
أحيانا
moisture will come.
أحيانا يكون في ماء في الماء دائما كان يحصل في المستشفى.
لا نحدد هذا.
If that is the case, we can utilize this one here. But if you are using in our hospital, there is a possibility that moisture may enter into from the medical air. The moisture may enter into the ventilator. Even output also will have. That's the reason why patient has a filter, then the tube. Why? To avoid the bacteria and moisture both. Some filters are both for bacteria and moisture. So these are all your possible connectors which you can.
This is for oxygen and this is for what?
This is for the return air.
Like CO2.
No. This is a closed circuit. When the ventilator is delivered, okay, I will first give you the ventilator. This is a ventilator. Usually ventilators are very big, but this is called. This ventilator is a portable. It can be used for. It can be used as an adult ventilator. It is a special design. It has got a built-in compressor, Venturi system. Built-in compressor. But you can now the input is what it is doing is it is taking a normal environment A. Environment has how much percentage of oxygen?
20%.
20.9 means 21. So you cannot increase the percentage of oxygen in this machine more than 21. You got the logic? Why? It doesn't have oxygen connection.
Yes.
It doesn't have oxygen connection. This ventilator, I am giving this as an example. In our hospital, you have a ventilator, two lines are coming, two tubes coming, one for the medical air, one for the oxygen. Must in our ICU ventilator. I'll talk first ICU ventilator. Forget the anesthesia, operation. In a normal ICU ventilator, sorry, you have oxygen, you have medical air, which has got a 4 bar. Industrial standards 4 bar. Doctor want to adjust the settings oxygen above 21%. There is a gas line going, so you can adjust. Here you cannot adjust more than 20 because it is taking the general air, normal room air. It has got a Venturi system. This is acting as a compressor and it is delivering now. It is working. Suppose I need a ventilation. That ventilation is for forced ventilation. Those people who cannot take normal breathing. So it will with some pressure, it will give the flow. Okay. Now it is giving
without
only 21.
O2, without.
Yeah, without O2.